performance appraisal interviews are of different types, or basically three types based on the communication. The first type is talk and listen interviews, where one person talks, the other listens, and then the other talks and the first person listens. For example, the employer, after evaluating the performance of the employee, that means after making all the comparison between the expected performance, the actual performance, and based on the gaps, his perception, he will basically communicate to the employee, telling that, okay, this is your performance, these are the gaps, I think that you're good in this, you're bad in this, you have to improve in this, you have to stop doing this, you have to start doing this. In this way, the employer gives his his form of his opinions, he communicates to the employer, right? Now this is the first thing, that means here the employer talks, the employee listens. Next, the employee talks, that means he will give so many different his opinions, telling that, okay, I need training, I need counseling, or I'm facing these particular issues, or I have exceeded my targets, I think I deserve a raise. In this way, he communicates, or he talks, the employee talks and the employer listens. So this is basically talk and listen interview, where the employer talks, the employee listens. Next, the employee talks, the employer listens. Okay, so talk and listen interviews, it has two parts. In the part one, the manager appraises. In the part two, the employee shares his thoughts about the appraisal. Now, this method gives both the manager and the employee the opportunity to release all their feelings or frustrations they have. It's a two-way communication. Okay. Now, you also have another kind of appraisal interview, which is called as a tell and sell interview. Now, the manager uses his abilities to persuade an employee to change in a prescribed manner. He can also use motivation by incentives, etc. If you remember, I gave you a scenario in the previous class, or in the initial topics, telling that there is this one scenario in which the employee's actual performance delivered is in match or in line, is exactly same with the expected performance. Now, if the manager thinks that, okay, this particular candidate has potential, and if he works hard, he can actually exceed the actual pre-standards or preset performance standards, but he is not doing that particular thing. So this particular manager thinks that, okay, since I believe that this particular employee has potential, let me try to sell him the idea of him working in order to deliver more performance. Now I'll think that, okay, I will sell the idea of him working hard by using incentives, by offering rewards, or by offering certain bonus and all these things. So this is a kind of another kind of interview, which is tell and sell, where the employer tells and tries to sell a particular idea, and in this process he can use different motivational factors, like he can use different factors in order to give motivation, like incentives, rewards, and all these things. Now there is this third kind of performance appraisal interview, which is called as problem solving interviews, where listening, accepting, and responding to feelings are essential elements for this interview. So all these things happen. So now let's come back to reality. See, in reality, you can't tell that a performance appraisal interview takes the form of one of these three kinds of interviews. No, a performance appraisal can be a talk and listen interview, a tell and sell interview, and a problem solving interview. All of these at a single time. That means initially, as soon as the performance appraisal the session starts, talk and listen, it can take the form of talk and listen interview. That means the employer communicates all the things relating to, or basically the employer appraises, then the employee listens, and then he communicates. Okay, he starts speaking, I listen, and then I come to the perception, telling that, okay, he needs certain motivational factors in order to give out more output. Then this then I will start to sell a separate idea. Now this particular interview now took the shape of tell and sell interview. Initially it was talk and listen. Now after I changed the way of communication, this particular interview converted itself or changed itself to tell and sell interview. And once I try to motivate him by giving certain incentives, he started to raise certain problems, telling that, okay, incentives is not my problem, but I am facing certain other problems. That is the main reason why I am not able to exceed the actual targets. It's not because I need incentives or something. There is a certain reason why I am not exceeding the exact performance standards and all these things. Now he starts to tell his own problems, new problems. Now this particular interview converted itself to a problem solving interview, where he starts to tell his problems, and I, as an employer, in this particular example, let's assume I am an employer. Now I, as an employer, will start to suggest different solutions or different recommendations in order to try to solve his problems, right? So in reality, a particular interview, a performance appraisal interview, we cannot tell that it can only be one of this kind. It can only be a tell and sell interview, it can only be a talk and listen interview. kind of interview, or it can only be a problem solving interview. You can't tell that. Basically what happens is a performance appraisal can simultaneously be any of the three or combination of the three of these types of performance appraisal interviews. So when someone asks you what are the different kinds of performance appraisal interviews, basically you reply telling that there are three kinds of performance appraisal interviews. The first one is called as talk and listen interview, second one is tell and sell interview, and the third one is called as problem solving interview. You should also add an extra point telling that, see, we cannot confirm telling that one particular performance appraisal session will take the form of only one kind of performance, only one kind of this particular performance appraisal interview. One particular session of performance appraisal can take different types or different forms of interviews simultaneously. That is what you have to answer, right?